This is the Ubuntu operating system. In the click final TCL and open it, and control the location using Control L, and copy the location using Control C. Open the terminal using Control Alt T, and in that enter CD space Control Shift V so that the location will be pasted, and enter ns space self.tcl which contain the coding to be executed. In this there are three types, that is normal, ncpr, and comparison. First enter the normal method. In that the normal aodv procedure for data packet transfer from source to destination will be shown. So this is the packet delivery ratio, which consists of number of packets delivered to the number of packet dropped. So this is the overhead graph. So we'll see the execution of the project in this. So when we are starting the execution of the normal AODV method, it consists of the routing table, which consists of the source ID and the destination ID, and the data will be transmitted from the source to the destination by broadcasting method. So this is the data packet transfer from 1 to 8th node. So when data packet loss occurs due to some link breakage or something, it finds the other shortest path, and again it will get transmitted. The data will be transmitted through the other lowest path. Now this there is a timing graph, which shows at which time the data packet occurs, and data packet loss occurs, and all those informations. Due to the coverage problem or some other link failures, usually the data packet will be lost. So this is about the normal AODV method. So again here the data packet occurs at the node 3, so it will find the other shortest path. So it shows the circle which indicates the acknowledgement and root request information and all about that. Now going to the graph, this is the packet delivery factor, and now we going to see about our proposed system, that is the Ncpr method, which is of Ncpr protocol. That is, again enter the choice as Ncpr so that we can go into our Ncpr project. So it is about so yeah, here this is the execution. So this is about the now start it. So this shows that instead of finding the shortest path again and again, which will decrease the performance and increases the overhead, we are proposing the neighbor coverage based probabilistic re-establishment protocol. That is, it will first find the shortest path and through broadcasting method and transmit the data through the shortest path. If in case, see here, a link failure will occur at the point 3. If a link failure occurs, instead of finding other shortest path, it will try to transmit the data over the same shortest path. That is, by this method is it actually saves the data packets in a buffer, which consists of the data packet, which will avoid the data packet loss, and which will avoid the performance, which will avoid less performance, and it will increases the performance and decreases the overhead, so that the data will be transmitted through the same shortest path. So see here it is not finding the other route, instead which it saves the time. So see here the data packet loss occurs, which is shown by the black dots. So a buffer is maintained, and the data will be stored, so the duplication also will be here reduced by this method. So this execution is all about that thing. So again at the point 1 data packet loss occurs, so again it stores in the buffer, which consists of some basic sensor information. Actually the buffer has the sensor information like the battery and its capacity and its coverage information. Everything is stored in the each and every node has the information about that. Also the broadcasting is also reduced in this, so the performance is increased, and moreover the overall packet delivery ratio is also increased, and packet delivery factor is also increased. So this is the main advantage of using the Ncpr protocol. Now next is this method is all about that. We can control the speed, that is on the upper right corner. We can control the speed to see the variations of the data that passes through it. Same procedure is being repeated. Okay. Now this is the packet delivery ratio. See here, there is the increased packet delivery ratio in Ncpr when compared to the AODV protocol. And since only one route is discovered, there is only one overhead occurred in this Ncpr. So this is the packet delivery factor. Now again, we are going for the comparison between the normal AODV method and the Ncpr method. So in this, the overhead in the normal is depicted by red color, and the green by Ncpr, and Ncpr by green color. So this shows that only one overhead has been there in Ncpr due to only one route discovery, and there are many overheads due to many route discoveries. And packet delivery ratio, that is in Ncpr depicted by green, there is very high packet delivery ratio, and the normal method the packet delivery ratio is quite poor. Thank you. This is all about our project.